Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I was making a video yesterday using this nameplate where I needed to use a calculator. So I have a calculator key on my keyboard. But then when I would do the math, say like 9 times 8.5, and I get 76.5, and then when I click off of it, it goes away. And it was a little irritating, and it's been a problem for a while. And one of my viewers or subscriber gave me a little insight. Right here, keep on top, alternate up. Then I don't have to use these keys. I can use the keys on my number pad. So 56 times 6.2. Say if I needed that number. Well, now when I click off of it, the calculator stays up there. So it's always there. So that's a big deal. So like now it'll go away. But if I hit the calculator now, so if your keyboard doesn't have a calculator button, you can go down to the Windows screen and type in calculator and it'll come up. And it's the same scenario. It's the same calculator. Then I can do 22 times 5.3 and get the number. And then when I click off of it and do some adjusting, I'll still have the calculator. That's pretty cool. So I thank that viewer or subscriber for giving me that tip. And you can always get rid of it and bring it right back. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.